To use the vacuum, check about this valve. Make sure this one is not fixed to the hole. Put it anywhere beside the hole. And this valve, check about the indicating point. Make it open. This valve, make this angle fixed to the vacuum oven. At this moment, you can start to turn on the power. Turn on power here. Then there is a switch behind. Turn on the vacuum pump. We see the vacuum was start to increase the value. You vacuum it to the level minus 0.1. Okay. When it's reached to the value, you close the valve. Make this one. Release. Then only turn off the pump. This moment, your vacuum will maintain. After finish, you release the valve and release this to open. And this moment, inside will be vacuum protected. If you face difficult to open the door, you use a plastic slide, a little bit push the O-ring with the glass. Then the door will be easy to open.